Hello, Gemini. Welcome to Soul Vibrations. Here to deliver some soul vibrational messages. This is a general energy reading by Soul Vibrations. So, today I'll be using tarot. Also, I'll be pulling a card from the Law of Attractions, little reminders, and I'll be using my pendulum to check on your auras or chakras, however you know them or resonates more with you. And so, with that said, little reminders. This is a general energy reading. Please check your other placements for additional messages. And also, I don't send message to anyone regarding my services. I hope that if you are interested in receiving a personal energy reading, that you would contact me. My email is down below, or you can send me a message through TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. And with that said, I want to clarify that I did pre-shuffle and meditated on your energy, Gemini, and pulled 3 cards, primarily focusing on your mind, body, and spirit and what it has to say to you. So with that said, I'll move on. The first card is the 5 of Pentacles. Second card is the Knight of Wands. And the third is the 7 of Swords. Well, it gives me a little bit of a negative vibe, and that's because of the 7 of Pentacles and the 7 of Swords. They're both kind of like deceitful kind of energies, like low vibrational, but intuitively, I want to say like you're in pursuit of hopefully alchemizing this, changing this. I feel you in a like almost like a strategically using your resources that you have to for your energies to move forward kind of deal, because they're both facing that way. And it's almost like carrying materials or whatever to kind of get you out of this feeling, or to save yourself, or to make you feel better in some shape or form. 5 speak about change. It's a lot of the time is obviously change is uncomfortable, but when it comes to this card, it does speak about loss, insecurity, lack, maybe financial loss. Pentacles speak to the earth within ourselves. It's our body, it's our material needs, it's our finances. So maybe physically you don't feel all that, like you're looking for energy with the Knight of Wands. Wands is the fire within ourselves. It does speak to our inspiration, creativity, our actions, our ideas, and energy flow. So I feel like you're wanting to change that. And swords speak to how we think, our rationale, our intellects, our thoughts. So just be mindful that you are not lying to yourself, I guess, that you're being confident, like self-confident, that you are speaking kindly to yourself. Also, this could also represent like keeping your plans to yourself, because you're not feeling supported. Like here, like gives me that feeling of like you feeling like a little bit destitute. You know what I'm saying? And so yeah, just, and I see energy here, like I feel the yellow, really resonating in my eyes. So, and he's wearing yellow, and I see yellow here. So there's like a speck of energy that's coming through, but it needs you to really ground yourself, really, really have some sort of plan as to like how you use your energy. What are you truly in pursuit of? And everything you do, do it from a place of love, not only for yourself, but for others. And I think that this energy shall pass, or this will balance itself. Again, these are passing moments. I didn't see any like major arcana. So, I mean, again, this is passing moments, is not the end all be all, kind of deal. Again, 5 is definitely, it does speak about change. But 5 is also always seeking and curious. Sometimes you miss the signs, like, hey, you can go in there, they help you. Needs variety. Did I say that right? um, absolute freedom. So this is some energy that's like that doesn't really plan. So maybe set some plans up that can help you. And so definitely 5, like I said, it does speak about radical change and a little bit of chaos, instability, unpredictability. And it's definitely like overcoming these obstacles that it's going to need you to take action on and really have clear as to how. With again self-confidence, strategy, and utilizing your resources, like I said. And like I said as well, keep your plans to yourself. Like try to kind of like walk in silence for a little bit and just recollect yourself. So yes, Gemini, I hope that this message resonates. Let's see what else you are. What else are you meant to hear, and what are you attracting with positiveness? What are you attracting, Gemini, in this current time, or when you read this message? Flow. Riches flow into my life in many ways and from many directions. See? So don't feel so deserted. Riches flow into your life in many ways and from many directions. Thank you, Gemini. I will be moving on to your chakras. See where you need to shed more light, what be more mindful of to, again, have a better flow of your energy. Okay, thank you, Pendulum. So as I'm going, I feel it pushing, right? But then it focused on this. And so for you, Gemini, definitely, I will say the heart, it hit the heart at some point. And to me, the heart is like the filter to both your physical and your spiritual your auras, your chakras. And so, and then it also like it was pulling through, to the throat chakra, which is, ruled by Gemini. Also, it's like your communication. So it's your voice is your communication, your self-expression, creativity, writing, listening, rhythm, truth, honesty. Definitely the heart, compassion, forgiveness, your self-love, love in general, self-acceptance, intimacy, your relationships, your devotion, your altruism, your grief. But base chakra and crown chakra, your connection to earth, your grounding, your stability, your balance, trust, your physical health, nourishment, strength, family, roots, security, survival, prosperity, connection to the universe, intuition, your spirituality, your awareness, your wisdom, your meaning, inner joy, your peace, your wholeness. Please wear these colors, eat them like fruits and vegetables that are these colors, meditate on these colors, really try to like focus in areas of your life. Take a little mini break to recollect yourself, Gemini. Sending you the best of vibes. Thank you for your time and attention. Ciao.